nowadays, I've been watching a lot of kids movies and a lot of Bollywood Indian movies. And there was one tune in common in most of the movies. And I liked it really so much, I went to search about it on the web. Then I thought, hey, why don't I try playing it on my piano? And that's what I did. It took me a lot of days to practice, but I got the hang of it. So now I'm going to show you how to play it, and I'm going to play it in slow-mo so you guys can learn too. So let's get started. That's how you play Fur Elise on the piano. So I'm going to play this song or tune in slow motion. So that's how you can learn it, how to play on your piano. I'm going to go slow because it's a really long song, but I'm playing one part. So I'm going to do it part by part. Let's get started. Again. 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 That's how you play Fur Elise on the piano. And as you know, I made it easy and really slow so you can learn how to play it. Because it's a really long song and it goes really fast. So you need to make your fingers really good at moving at just the right time and just the right place. So now I'm going to play the whole song once again. I bring up a new song or another video. Bye!